Happy 2026, Beshies! What I eat in a day na calorie deficit and hindi po ako nag-track ng fasting. I listen to my body on what and when I want to eat as long as I am within my calories. Lose it yung gamit ko na app to track my calories within the day. And Beshies, for our coffee of choice, meron tayo ditong vanilla latte. Actually, freebie lang to sa mga isang run na sinalihan ko and it tastes good but medyo matamis lang siya. For our main meal, we're having white rice, fried na fish, hindi ko alam yung tawag sa fish na to, beshies, pero I think kapamilya siya ng tilapia. Tapos meron din tayong gulay, of course, bulang lang from Batangas. And syempre, meron pa tayong leftover from holiday season. We're having chicken macaroni na salad. And for our fruit of choice naman, we're having orange. Ayan, beshi, sobrang tamis ng orange na yan, as in. For our next meal naman, beshies, ibubudol ko kayo kasi this popcorn maker is so good. As in, wala na kayong ilalagay na oil. Nasa showcase ko ito, beshies. As in, perfect talaga, especially low calorie. Calorie. Low calorie lang siya, beshies, and talagang nakakabusog. So, total calories natin for today is 1,026. Thank you for watching.